Hi, this is Master Ken. I just attended a session organized by HRDCorp and FMM. It's about how moving forward trainer be accredited. So the 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 HRDCorp person in charge in the FIS Latif has pointed out clearly. So let's just click on here, training provider. This is what he explained over here. So you just need to go to the HRD trainer and you make sure you go to these trainers. Yeah, and these are the things that you can read about it. So I only concentrate on helping those seasoned trainers, so-called OBERTs. So you are already got your cert after 2021 January. You already have it. So let's say for myself, my cert is 2010. So it's after. So we will only buy. Oh, sorry, before. So we will only buy activities. So what does it mean activities? Is that you need to have 120 hours, and how do you prove that 120 hours? So this comes to these 4 documents. So you must have either 2 of these documents. The first is the attendance, and then the other is the training feedback for the students' feedback. The third one is a letter of award. So say this training provider give you this job, so they give you a letter. It could be an email form, it doesn't necessarily be signed. And the fourth one is the invoice you issue to the training provider, or the payment slip that the training provider paid you. So again, it can be email form. So all these 4 you need to group it and collect it moving forward from now on. Okay, so every training, you not only did the training, you also collect this two of these documents. Okay, so I mean, yeah. Okay, so 2 of these documents. Attendance, feedback, and letter. So once you have this done, then why do you need these 3? This because that you need to go to the this here, the trainers HRD Corp, and you click on, after you log in there, you need to click on the add activities, and this is where you want to put in your client name. So then the client email, the client contact number, you choose the in-house or public, so the course name, the venue. So all this is in the letter of awards, the confirmation letter from the training provider or the clients, and the venue and the date. So you put in 7 hours, so excluding the lunch break. So 9 to 5 is an 8 hour, but excluding a lunch break, so you put 7. So now here is where you need to have that document. So put the attendance or the feedback form or the letter by the training providers on the invoices or payment bank slip, and after that check on this and click add. So you keep adding these until that you reach 120. So how do you know that it's 120? So right on top here is 120. So I just did it. But that is because I have collecting the documents. I'm aware of it, and now I can do it. Okay, and finally you can click on here and choose log out after you've done this. One way is that you can GMA some do it, is that you only apply these accreditations. What did I say? I think it's at next year. I forgot. But anyway, if you're accredited, they give you the accredited status. So you are again different from others because others are certified. You are accredited trainer, and not only that, and to be accredited, you can actually pay a fee. Yeah, I think it's not here, but where is it? Okay, so could be here. Trainers development, TD. Yeah, so read up this thing here, and this is for, okay, so accredited by activities. So that's before. So let's apply for me, and the renewal process is here. Okay, so accreditations, you pay a 60 ringgit, and you can pay somewhere here. When you click on this apply for accreditation, yeah, there you are. So you can pay with this. Click on the any of this. I think, yeah, click on this and click buy. It should get it done in no time. And that's about 14 days of training in a year, and that will move you to accredited trainers status. Thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless Asia. I hope this is helpful to you. Save you time as usual.